And it's gone! Up to bat, Breaker Williams, the 0-0 pitch. Swung on, driven out, and Grant makes the play! Oh my lord! Grant using the Rawlings mock, and it's a single up the middle. He's thinking about two, skirting back. Oh no! And he gets hit on the foot! What was he thinking not staying on the base? Not being thrown yet, now it's thrown. Swung on, drive, deep to right center field, and it's gone! A home run for Riker. Swung on, driven, deep, and it's gone!
Over the front fence. But we could take a thing.
The 1-0 pitch. Swung on, drove in, deep, right center field, and it's gone!